Welcome back. Ronnie wants to introduce this segment. It's called...
Okay, so instead of it being called Carol's Craft Corner, it's Don't Laugh at Our Craft.
Part 2. And it's part 2 because we're going to show you, I think this was in 2019, what we tried to do, and we're going to make it better today. So let's take a look at this piece of video first.
Does it drip?
Well, it's supposed to.
Need to go whoop-de-doo. Ooh, I'm probably putting too much on.
But they're not dripping.
Oh, they will.
Will they?
I don't know. Do I look like an artist?
See, yeah, see how, oh my goodness gracious.
Oh, here they go. Here they go.
That was our drip pot part 1. This is part 2. So we're going to try to make it right because we used the wrong acrylic paint. And now we put our minds together and said, we just need to dilute it or get the right kind of paint. I don't know if we got the right kind of paint, but we're going to dilute it if it needs to be diluted. So all you need for part 2 is a terracotta pot.
I really can't focus. This is just anyway. Go ahead.
Pick your poison. What color would you like up here? We got all kinds of color. This we definitely know needs to. This is the one you just saw that just sat there.
Yeah.
And Ronnie said if we would have waited overnight, it would have worked. So
if you would have kept watching the video,
it was even more funny.
It's okay. So, but you got the right paint. So we're just gonna drip.
I don't know.
Okay, what do I...
Oh, here, this is, quick drying. Well, this just feels really liquidy. So because it feels really liquidy...
We're just going to?
I'm just going to see if it'll drip. And I think it will. So what you... Ooh! What you do... Yeah, that was... Okay. What you do... Oh.
Is it?
I think it... A little bit. I'm starting slowly. See, there, look.
It looks like it's forming a drip.
But I think it does need a little water. What?
It's dripping. I think.
Yeah, but I still think it needs a little bit of water. I think yours, if yours isn't a salad, you might have to
I got to shake it a little more.
So I'm going to...
Because I'm good at shaking pickles.
Whoopsie.
I can shake my...
That's right. And I'm diluting mine with a little bit of water. Now, that's probably too much water, so I'll put a little more paint in it. It's like an experiment. You just have to...
Yes.
You just have to test it. And I told Molly yesterday, I go...
Ooh, baby.
Yeah, but it's supposed to drip all the way down.
Oh,
like not just clump.
It's not... You have to give it a big drip so it can run. It needs that heaviness to run. That velocity to run. That gravity.
Okay, well then
Carol, it's going.
Oopsie. Well, that may be a little bit too... Yeah, it's a little bit too water. Oh, yours does look good.
Oh, baby.
Mine just looks like watercolors. Darn it.
It's okay.
Well, see, look, it just...
Ooh, I kind of cheated.
Yours does look good, Ronnie.
Well, thank you.
Okay, I'm going to try a different kind of paint. This is fun if you have the right kind of paint, right?
Watching paint. Okay, what color did you...
Ooh.
That might be... Oh, see, that's it. The other is kind of like... Okay, red.
It is. Look at that, you guys.
See?
Look how excited we get. It doesn't take much. Look at that.
Carol, do you have a plant that... Oh! What we should do is take these out and have Andrea put
No, I think
flowers.
she would laugh at us.
Well, we're laughing
or laugh
at us.
with us. I know, look, this is dripping. I don't even know.
And what kind of... That's a gloss paint. Is that your paint?
That is my paint. Outdoor gloss, indoor, deep purple gloss acrylic, quick dry. Maybe this, I don't know why the other ones are.
I think...
Oh my God, that's kind of fun, right?
I don't know if this one's drippy.
Which color you got? Oh, look at how fun that is.
I'm just kind of making it give its own drip.
Okay, now I want to use, let's use what color is this? I don't know, but it looks fun. Okay.
Yellow just doesn't like to drip.
Yeah, that's the one you have. Oh, yeah.
And it's fine.
That's gloppy. Glumpy. Just saying.
What is this? Trusted? I'm just impressed that you have so many paints.
Well, because we keep trying to get the right thing. Okay, this one needs to be diluted. Just
diluted?
Ever so slightly.
Multi-surface? Okay, we'll try the green.
So I'm going to try just like...
Mine looks like a hot dog stand. Look at that.
I thought you were going to say a hot mess. No, it looks beautiful.
No.
Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of water.
Okay, let's take a quick break, and we're going to keep...
This is science at work. Okay, we'll take a quick break.
We'll finish up these pots. Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. We are trying to successfully
redeem ourselves
from the drip pots from 2019.
The catastrophe.
So anyway,
you might want to use some of this green.
But it's just the key to this is patience and having the right paint. And if you don't have the right paint, Carol has found out that you just add a little water and make it a little more drippier.
Yes, because look at how I did this over the break. Try not to walk out of the shot here, but to show you,
please.
I've been adding water to all of our acrylic paints, and they're really dripping. So see, look at that, Ronnie, that's a drip pot.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that. That yellow is awesome.
Okay, now I'm gonna pour
I shouldn't have done red. But
no,
that's
I
my
like
favorite.
yours.
No, because it looks like Christmas.
But red's your favorite. You know what?
Well,
we have black. Watch this, friends.
Okay.
Here it goes.
Everybody watch Carol.
No, just
Ever.
Well,
So
here, if this comes out a little quicker.
I'm going to use
ever so slightly. How's that look?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Ooh,
Drip,
that's
drip.
you know what decade that reminds me of?
Which one?
The 80s.
Oh, I thought you said ducky. I'm like, really?
Decade. Yeah.
Decade. Look at that. Look at how it's. Oh, here you're not there. Oh, there, Ronnie. Look, I like that color. That's that purple, right?
Yes.
See, look how much fun we're having when we.
If you're looking for something to do with your kids this summer,
just have Ronnie and I come.
Yeah, let us.
Oh, I like that. I do like that.
And how much were the pots, Carol?
Only $2.
Yeah.
You got to go now and get them because a lot of them are like almost out of stock because people. Well, or you could probably order them online because people are. Oh, I love this because people are using them to plant their flowers in. Ronnie, I like your colors on there.
Well, I think I like.
They're nice and bright.
Okay, so I got to. Okay.
We were so excited.
Let's do. How easy is this? And it doesn't take much to excite us, does it, Carol?
No.
Because that's just who we are.
No.
Orange?
Okay. I'm going to try the turquoise again.
Orange? I don't.
Yes,
yours
orange.
is very bright. Because your green is bright and your yellow is like whoop-de-daisy. I better do some whoop-de-daisy.
You want to do some whoop?
I better do some whoop-de-daisy yellow.
Yes. And my blue. And we're just using these plastic knives and plastic or paper cups to pour our paints in. Okay, so let's see. I thickened the blue a little bit.
How much water did you put in?
Like a drop or two. How much did you put in?
8 tablespoons later.
Okay, here goes.
I don't like that.
I'm gonna try the blue
sound.
again and see if it works because it was too watery last time.
I better.
Look at here.
Ooh, that blue
here. I'm
is
gonna come around this way.
beautiful.
We'll do it right here. Put some color right. Look at that drip.
That yellow, that's really a pretty pot there, Carol.
Now that is a classic drip pot.
Yeah.
As opposed to our
seriously.
first try.
Yeah. Okay, I hope this turns out.
It will. It already looks
No, because
pretty.
it's very runny. Ooh, that's too runny, isn't it?
No, no. No, we'll try it. Just try a little drip and see how it goes.
Where is this at? That's right there. I got to go over the. Because
Don't mind me. Oopsie.
Okay.
My turquoise is a little burny.
My yellow is. That was gloppy. It's a little too runny, but it's a true drip.
Oh no! See that? That's how mine were. They really drip. Let's see. Do we have another cup? I'm gonna try.
You doing? I got to do orange. So friends.
Yeah, orange would be fun.
That was like a major.
Okay, here's another color.
Okay, I'm gonna do orange. Why not? So these are just your everyday, ordinary acrylic paint.
And this is we like the name of our segment. Don't laugh at our craft.
I think it's classic Carol and Ronnie.
Yes.
Quite
Okay.
honest.
Now this color. Let's see how this looks. Oh, I like that, Ronnie.
Ooh, wow. I think you need to know your color wheel. And I obviously. The opposite of orange is blue, but I don't have blue on here. And I needed to dilute this one just a touch.
You can tell we're concentrating, can't you?
Yeah.
Ooh, Ronnie, that looks pretty.
No, yours is pretty.
Yours is pretty. There we are. So we're wrapping up our drip pots, and it actually worked this time.
I should have walked all the way around my pot.
But you picked it up and turned it with your finger.
Yeah, but I'm just not. I had to stop because otherwise I'd be here all day, and then it wouldn't turn out right. But
there it is. I love it. It's beauty. It's bright and summer colors. I love the
red.
primary
I think
colors.
I should have taken your advice and let the red drip, and I was going to add more, but I'm like, nope, I'm stopping right here.
And I
stopping
like
right
it.
here. Okay, now
like
Carol's
it.
pot.
I
has
use kind of the
bright,
pastel-y
yeah,
colors.
it's very springy, very
Springy,
80s.
yes.
It feels like Miami Vice.
It feels like Scooby-Doo. Here, let me pick it up and turn it.
Scooby-Doo?
You know, there, it's just a plethora of colors.
Yep.
There we go. See?
Beautiful,
There you
Carol.
go,
Very
everybody.
nice.
They
just
both turned out nice.
So just go out and buy a $2 pot.
Yes.
And a lot of people probably have acrylics at their house.
Yes, and there's like acrylic pouring paint, which is,
Oh, is
I
there?
think that's the proper paint to use. But
You say that after we're done.
I know, but I
Good
didn't
word.
want to go out and buy a bunch of new paint.
Yep, because
And
you
then
don't need to. Just add a little bit of water.
Yeah, because I read that you can water down acrylic paint.
You should
And
have
I
read
did-
that a couple years ago.
I know we should have, but that makes the last.
But then there wouldn't be
2019
part
deux, part deux, which is what this was. Yeah, so Ronnie, so Don't Laugh at Our Craft segment turned out okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think.
It's beautiful.
I know,
Actually,
we have to stop. I know,
because I just wanted. There's so many things I just wanted to do, and I'm like, nope, walk away, walk
Yeah.
away. But anyway, it has been a great show.
Yeah.
Join us tomorrow because we have a very special guest coming
Yes,
to
we
do
do.
some cooking with a very special recipe.
Yeah, so we're excited about that, and we will be here, and hopefully everyone else will too.
Yeah.
So
Kicking
yeah.
off the Memorial Day weekend. So
Yeah.
thanks for making this the best hour of our day.